Welcome to my channel NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate lens into the world of technology, bringing you the latest updates, groundbreaking innovations, and future-shaping trends. From cool gadgets to tech insights, we've got it all. Let's tech it up and explore the future together.
Hey there, science fans! Get ready to have your minds blown. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence, specifically a game-changer called DeepSeek-R1. Hold on to your hats, because this ain't your grandma's AI. DeepSeek-R1 is a revolutionary new model developed in China. It's making waves in the tech world for its unique approach to learning and problem-solving. This AI is not just mimicking human language, it's actually understanding it. It can reason, adapt, and even surprise you with its insights. Get ready for a wild ride, as we explore the ins and outs of this incredible technology. So, what makes DeepSeek-R1 so special? It's not just another AI system, it's a revolutionary leap forward in artificial intelligence. The secret sauce is reinforcement learning. This isn't your typical machine learning algorithm. It's a method that allows the AI to learn from its own experiences, much like humans do. Imagine teaching a dog a new trick. You don't just tell the dog what to do, you guide it through the process, rewarding it for each correct action. You reward good behavior, and over time the dog learns what to do. Reinforcement learning is similar. The AI receives rewards for making the right decisions, gradually improving its performance. It allows AI to learn through trial and error. This means the AI can make mistakes, learn from them, and get better over time. The AI interacts with an environment, receives feedback, and adjusts its actions to maximize rewards. This feedback loop is crucial for the AI's development. This process leads to an AI that can make decisions and solve problems on its own. Pretty cool, right? It's like having a digital brain that continuously evolves. This type of learning is a game changer. It opens up possibilities we never thought possible, from autonomous vehicles to advanced robotics. It allows DeepSeek-R1 to go beyond basic pattern recognition and develop a deeper understanding of the world. This means it can handle more complex tasks and adapt to new situations. It's like the difference between memorizing a textbook and actually understanding the concepts. DeepSeek-R1 doesn't just store information, it comprehends and applies it, making it a truly intelligent system. Now you might be thinking, hey Bill, what about ChatGPT? It's a fair question, and one that deserves a thorough answer. ChatGPT has certainly made waves in the AI community with its impressive capabilities and wide range of applications. From generating human-like text to assisting in customer service, it's a versatile tool that has proven its worth time and again. I've heard that's pretty impressive too. Indeed, ChatGPT has been a game-changer in many respects. Its ability to understand and generate text has opened up new possibilities in various fields, from education to entertainment. You're right, ChatGPT is no slouch. It's a robust language model that has set a high bar for AI performance. But let's dive deeper into what sets DeepSeek-R1 apart. It's a powerful language model, but DeepSeek-R1 takes things to the next level. While ChatGPT excels in generating text, DeepSeek-R1 goes beyond that by incorporating advanced reasoning and problem-solving capabilities. For starters, DeepSeek-R1 consistently demonstrates superior reasoning abilities. It can analyze complex data sets and draw meaningful conclusions, making it an invaluable tool for researchers and analysts. It can tackle complex tasks that leave other AI models scratching their heads. Whether it's solving intricate puzzles or making sense of vast amounts of data, DeepSeek-R1 excels where others falter. It's like the difference between a calculator and a supercomputer. Imagine trying to solve advanced mathematical equations with a basic calculator versus using a state-of-the-art supercomputer. The difference in capability is staggering. Another key advantage is that DeepSeek-R1 is open source. This means that its code is available for anyone to access, modify, and improve upon. This means anyone can access and modify its code. The open-source nature of DeepSeek-R1 fosters a collaborative environment where developers from around the world can contribute to its growth and development. This fosters collaboration and accelerates innovation in the AI community. By allowing open access, DeepSeek-R1 encourages a diverse range of ideas and solutions, driving the technology forward at a rapid pace. It's like having the blueprints for a spaceship available to everyone. Imagine the possibilities when the brightest minds from different backgrounds come together to work on a common project. But wait, there's more. DeepSeek-R1 is also incredibly accessible. Unlike some AI models that require specialized hardware, DeepSeek-R1 is designed to run efficiently on a wide range of devices. It runs smoothly on a variety of hardware, even your trusty laptop. This means you don't need to invest in expensive, high-end equipment to take advantage of its capabilities. No need for expensive, specialized equipment. AI for everyone. With DeepSeek-R1, advanced AI technology is within reach for individuals, small businesses, and large enterprises alike. It's truly democratizing the field of artificial intelligence. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of open-source technology. By making DeepSeek-R1's code freely available, its creators have unleashed a wave of creativity and collaboration. Think about it. Developers, researchers, and even hobbyists from all corners of the globe can now contribute to the development of this incredible AI. This open approach not only accelerates the pace of innovation, but also ensures that the benefits of AI are shared widely. It's a win-win situation. Section 5. Distilled for perfection, smaller size, greater impact. Now you might be wondering how DeepSeek-R1 manages to pack such a punch despite its relatively small size. The answer lies in a technique called distillation. Imagine taking a giant pot of delicious soup and boiling it down to create a rich, flavorful broth. That's essentially what distillation does for AI models. By carefully compressing the knowledge and capabilities of larger AI models, researchers have created a leaner, meaner version that's optimized for efficiency. This makes DeepSeek-R1 incredibly fast and responsive, even on devices with limited processing power. It's like having a pocket-sized Einstein. Section 6. DeepSeek-R1 in action real-world wonders. So how is DeepSeek-R1 being used in the real world? Let's dive into some fascinating applications that are transforming various sectors. The possibilities are practically endless. In education, it can personalize learning experiences, tailoring lessons to each student's unique needs and learning pace. This means that students who need more time to grasp a concept can get the extra help they need, while those who are ready to move ahead can do so without waiting for the rest of the class. It can provide real-time feedback, allowing students to understand their mistakes immediately and learn from them on the spot. Additionally, it can automate administrative tasks, freeing up teachers to focus more on teaching and less on paperwork. Imagine a world where every student has access to a personalized AI tutor. This AI tutor can adapt to each student's learning style, providing customized exercises and resources to help them succeed. It can also track their progress over time, offering insights that can help teachers better support their students. In healthcare, DeepSeek-R1 can assist with diagnosis, helping doctors identify conditions more quickly and accurately. This can be especially valuable in cases where early detection is critical, such as in cancer or other serious illnesses. It can also aid in treatment planning, suggesting the most effective treatment options based on a patient's unique medical history and current condition. Furthermore, in the realm of drug discovery, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify potential new treatments, speeding up the process of bringing new drugs to market. It can analyze massive datasets of medical information to identify patterns and insights that human doctors might miss. This can lead to new discoveries and a deeper understanding of diseases, ultimately improving patient outcomes. And in software development, it can help programmers write better code, faster. By suggesting code completions and identifying potential bugs, it can significantly reduce the time and effort required to develop high-quality software. It can suggest code completions, making the coding process more efficient and less prone to errors. This can be particularly useful for complex projects, where even small mistakes can lead to significant issues down the line. It can identify potential bugs and even generate entire functions automatically. This not only speeds up the development process but also ensures that the code is more reliable and easier to maintain. The future of AI is here and it's looking bright. With its ability to transform education, healthcare, software development, and many other fields, DeepSeek-R1 is paving the way for a smarter, more efficient world. Section 7. Facing the challenges. A look at the limitations. Now it's important to remember that DeepSeek-R1, like any technology, has its limitations. One challenge is ensuring the accuracy and reliability of its outputs. AI models are trained on massive amounts of data, and if that data is biased or incomplete, the AI's outputs will reflect those flaws. Another challenge is preventing malicious use. As AI becomes more powerful, it's essential to develop safeguards against potential misuse. By acknowledging these challenges and working towards solutions, we can ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. Section 8. The road ahead, DeepSeek-R1's future in AI. DeepSeek-R1 represents a major leap forward in the field of artificial intelligence. Its unique combination of reinforcement learning, open-source accessibility, and impressive capabilities has the potential to revolutionize countless industries. As research and development continue, we can expect DeepSeek-R1 to become even more powerful and versatile. Imagine a future where AI assistants are commonplace, helping us with everything from mundane tasks to scientific breakthroughs. The future of AI is full of possibilities, and DeepSeek-R1 is leading the charge. Section 9. Join the conversation. What's your take on DeepSeek-R1? So, there you have it, folks. DeepSeek-R1 is shaking things up in the AI world. But what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of this new technology? What applications are you most interested in? Let's keep the conversation going. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.